Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. You don't know. Vybz Kartel does it again. I've been in love with you so long. I've been in love with you so long. You see that tight all day under there. Make me want to breathe you right away. I've been in love with you so long. Remember, I know. Remember, SouFLoTV reviewed this song when the song first came out. Now there's a video that dropped to the song. Listen, I'm telling you, Mr. Palmer gear up to come run summer of 2017 as far as dancehall music is concerned. The man not even there road and he stay dropping videos that's bigger than all of the other artists them out there with their road and a drop video. The man that's supposed to take the thing to our next level. Not saying that there aren't good videos being dropped, but for say that Vybz Kartel is able to stay on the level he is at, you know what I say, and even transcending sometimes. Watch this now. First of all, I could say big up to J Will, because J Will does it again. Every time J Will do a Vybz Kartel video, the thing just shot. Brrrah, shot full 100 clip. Brrrah, shot. Right? J Will, big up yourself. Now a power. Now a power. Come in and come play Mr. Watchy Pums. Mr. Watchy Pums. And the girl wicked. My God almighty. Yo, people, listen. Some girl, you know, say the girl saved the man in her phone as Mr. Watchy Pums. See there? Watchy Pums. Yo, this thing I go for sure, say, no matter how you give a girl your everything, you know, if she decides say you're not the one, you just gonna be a giver. You understand? Or she just gonna be a taker. So you have to be careful out there. I don't know, I found this video very sensual. Yo, the sexy curves. I don't know if the body they real or it fake, you know, but it look real to me. It round like me like it, so I'm gonna roll with that one there for now. The girl, I don't know, there's certain scenes in this video that just look up and mad, sensual and sexual at the same time, but not on a one-on-one, I'm making love to this girl kind of thing, because this is my baby, my boo. This I don't know, Dexter Daps, bring it to the owner. No, this I know that the kind of something there. I don't know how Vybz Kartel do theme thing already. Vybz Kartel are the type of man we know where I go say scammer girl, stripper girl, go-go club, freaky girl. And I don't know that already, you know. Mr. Palmer endorsed the woman them from all angles. Him say good woman, him say wifey, him say educated woman, him say not dunce girl to the thing. Him say scammer girl, stripper girl, go-go girl, freaky girl. And that yo, this is going to rub some people the wrong way. I mean, I said the Vybz Kartel have enough haters out there, because for some reason it seems like a lot of these people don't want to see the man forward in that thing. The sad part is them can't stop him because him shotgun linking with aliens. Alien brain not stop work. You see what I said? This video right here, I've been in love with you so long. I told y'all when I did the review. SouFLoTV did the review. That girl I'm out pretty, man. SouFLoTV, yo, SouFLoTV did this review before, and I told y'all, I said, this is going to be one of the songs of the summer. Oh, no, listen to me, man. You guys are not listening to me. Check this out. One time, Dexter Daps dropped the song. When Dexter Daps give her the album, me say, that album, yeah, I call the baddest thing out of Jamaica for 2017 so far. And nobody listened to me until the man dropped the video. And the video looked like him a sex on a pool table and a sex in the pool. And everybody goes crazy. So I guess sex sells. Yo, that girl I'm out pretty, she just a distract me. Jano. Anyway, yo, when I did the original, when I did the review to this particular song right here, this I've been in love with you so long. I've been in love with you so long. You see that tight all day and that day. Make me want to breathe you right away. This song here shows the versatility of Kartel. Me telling us that the man can sing, him can DJ, he's a crooner. A tune you don't know. I think what Vybz Kartel need to do is drop a whole album with just beer singing. No rough DJing, just beer singing. You know what I say? I'm for sure the people them how versatile him is. At the same time, check this out. This video here is a top of the top. This video here is a 10, and Mr. Palmer never disappoints us. You know what I'm saying? That's why he is the leader of the Gaza nation. That's why he move on rule. That's why he march out. That's why I march out with 100,000 million strong. I have to make up some numbers where that's not even real, because right now the Gaza nation them turn up worldwide thing we are deal with. So when we talk about Vybz Kartel being a head figure of something, some large movement or organization, it's not a joke thing. It's not a joke thing. It's very, very real. You know what I mean, mate? Alright? So, big up to Vybz Kartel for that one there, I know. We know about this song. However, if you are a Vybz Kartel fan, you knew about this song long before this. Right, so. Him didn't have to drop a hot video to make you know, say, this song was out of road. But, since the hot video drop, everybody else are going to know, say, what? This their road. So push out, shove out, Gaza Nation. What we say? Gaza we say. On the Gaza we there. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. My phone I go off, people are link me. Yo, SouFlo, you have to go check Kartel Vivo. You have to go check Kartel Vivo. I'm just drop a new video. The video shot. The video shot. Here what? I am subscribed to Vybz Kartel Vivo. And I am not just a subscriber. I am a subscriber that is notified. So that may I tell other people them to do to SouFLoTV. Notified subscription we are dealing with, not just regular subscribers. So don't forget, when you hit the subscription button, right, which is that red button, look for a bell that is right next to that subscriber button. That bell is going to make sure that, yo, the button here, someone, that bell is going to make sure that, what you got about the one? That bell is going to make sure that every time, yo, man, I get distracted, the button here. Want to slap our pan. Come here. Make sure that every time, the bell is going to make sure that every time a video drops, you are in the loop. You are one of the first ones that get it, right? So, here me ask someone. Link up when a time for link up. Gaza Nation run the world, govern the universe and all that, right? Everything else after. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You don't know how we do the thing already in a doggy. No game thing when I'm playing with it. Oh. I gotta put this one in there. Plugging. So, Best of the Best is coming up in Miami at Memorial at Bicentennial Park, downtown Miami. For you to miss that show this year, you would be somebody that, me don't know, you lost out there. Especially if you have the opportunity to do it. For those of us who can't make it, tune into SouFLoTV because I'm gonna be there up front and center VIP. Me not do no meet and greet with no star and them thing. Me don't want to meet nobody that consider themselves a star, the performers of the show and whatnot. People saying that I should go interview some of the stars them are rare. I'm not into all that. Me there if you have fun, get under my drinks, and I'm gonna have Brains and a Beat with me. So we are gonna turn up times 10 from last year because we did it last year and we're gonna be doing it again this year. It's gonna be a stellar freaking show. We are having a little meet and greet outside before we're going at the gate. That means after me going at the gate, approach with caution, stay from a distance, just say, yo, SouFlo, I'm ready to thing, yeah, bye. Alright.